The first leaked render of the Honor Magic 7 Pro has just come to light. Remember, this would be the next generation of one of the devices that has had the most beautiful design recently. We are obviously talking about the Honor Magic 6 Pro, which has opted for a camera module with a shape whose name I do not know, but it is neither completely round nor completely square, with a very pleasant metallic ring. In this next generation, according to the leaked image, they would retain much of this design, although it looks slightly different. However, it seems that they are willing to keep the same design line that can easily identify them. As soon as you see this leaked image, you realize they are talking about an Honor device, not only because it has the brand at the bottom, but also because of the shape of this camera module. It seems it would have 3 cameras arranged differently from the previous generation, which formed a triangle. Now, the flash is added to create a sort of grid, but it appears they will continue to have only one camera dedicated to zoom. Personally, I would have liked to see 2 cameras dedicated to zoom, one for intermediate zoom and another for maximum zoom like Oppo or Xiaomi does, but Honor has not yet jumped on that bandwagon, which from my point of view is much more attractive. The zoom capacity of this device is still unknown, but it is said that the silicon battery will have a capacity of around 6,000 mAh, and Honor is one of the manufacturers that best optimizes its system for low energy consumption. So using, I can't even imagine how long our battery test of this device is going to last. For now, there is no presentation date, so we'll have to keep waiting.